Welcome to this video, Stakeholder Buy-in. The most advanced firewall in the world is useless if the CEO won't fund it and the sales team refuses to follow the rules. The biggest threat to your security program isn't a hacker, but a lack of buy-in. In this video, we'll identify key governance roles and sponsors, craft compelling business cases for security investments, establish communication loops for stakeholder engagement. By the end of this video, you'll be able to identify key governance roles effectively, craft compelling business cases for security, establish communication loops for stakeholder buy-in. Let's walk through the critical first steps of any governance project, identifying your champions and building the coalition you need to succeed. Identifying sponsors and governance roles. A governance program without leadership support is likely to fail. The first step is to identify an executive sponsor from top management to champion the program, secure resources, and accept residual risk per ISO/IEC 27001. Define operational governance roles like process owners, department heads, and asset owners, IT managers who hold responsibility for data and systems. Clear role definitions embed accountability into the business, making security a shared responsibility. Crafting the business case. To secure leadership commitment, present governance as a strategic business initiative, not just a technical cost. Focus on value driver, avoiding fines, protecting reputation, building trust, and improving operational efficiency by shifting to proactive security. Framing ROI in business terms turns compliance into a compelling investment that protects and creates value, aligning with executives' priorities. Communication and feedback loops. Governance requires continuous dialogue with effective communication and feedback channels, as mandated by ISO/IEC 27001. Provide regular, concise reports to the executive sponsor and leadership. Consult process and asset owners to ensure controls are practical and don't hinder operations. This two-way communication builds trust, keeps governance aligned with business needs, and fosters a culture where security is a shared responsibility.
To get this buy-in, you need a plan. Let's use a project management tool like ClickUp to outline the agenda for perfect governance kickoff meeting. So if you even don't have a very robust plan on ClickUp or any other project management tool, what you can do is just start like I started here, just logging with Google account or any other just generic login option. Here I was happy to have some test kind of space, check the functions. And then if you click like add task that I'm marking right now, or just go to AI, you see the symbol here, you see the symbol here, right? This AA chat is super helpful. And then I was trying to create a new task straight here, and it is answering me about the functions already. So it says that I already have a list, and it can create a task titled Cybersecurity Governance Kickoff Meeting Agenda in the current list. So of course, I'm happy to do that. Let's see, before I create, I would like to add specific details, agenda. Okay, and then we can see even those prompts are suggested here. So create like introduction, risk assessment, compliance review, action items, right? And we have it here. This is a task already there. And then we can add even more tasks if we want. So what I pasted here is just a thing that I prepared before. So add the following tasks to the list: introduction by executive sponsor, present the business case, ROI, risk reduction, review project plan and timelines, right? We could even generate, please confirm you'd like these separate tasks, or let me know. So I just write, yes, please add as separate tasks. Okay. And this is also just testing what you want to do with tools like this. And I'm really happy to have them like this. It will be, and then you can, of course, assign the due date, everything, right? Let's see even more, like assign the introduction task to the CEO, assign present business case task to the CISO, set the due dates agenda for the next Monday. Let's see how it works with this. I can't promise it will work, But even if not, then you click up, or actually it worked. You see, you have due dates for Monday. It's amazing. But they're unable to assign because their users could not be found, right? But if you have this user specified, it would work. So testing how this kind of project management tool would work for you, it's amazing exploring, and really you can discover more. But it's because it's something that is like working different ways for different people. But what I wanted to show you is that don't be afraid of trying out. It's just couple of clicks, as the name of this ClickUp says, right? Couple of clicks, and then you can get from zero to hero in terms of project management. So basically, a well-planned meeting agenda like this is your first and best tool for building confidence and securing the commitment you need from day one.
Let's do a quick recap of the key learnings covered in this video. This video, we have learned to identify key governance roles for leadership support, craft compelling business cases for security investments, frame security as strategic value driver effectively,